at my family's restaurant 2 years later. Can y'all believe it? Let's get right into it and see what they're cooking up in the kitchen.
I migrated here 2015 and I was privileged to be here as my first kitchen experience for soul food. The mac and cheese, the ham, the collard greens is unbeatable. I'm busy slicing some ham now for Thanksgiving. We are getting it done for the community here.
How many stuffings are we making this year for Thanksgiving?
Oh my God. We probably have just under 100 pans that we need to do. Yeah. It's not looking like we're gonna be done in the next hour. So
How long does it take to make one pan of stuffing?
it's difficult to say because we've never just made one pan. But to make a batch, I can answer that. A batch of stuffing, which is one container, what we're doing is a batch. It's an entailed process. We actually roast turkeys in the oven. That's the first thing. So there's nothing artificial in here. It's roasted turkeys. We pull them off the bone. We use all the giblets and everything. We use the stock.
I think we've got the most pie orders we've ever had this year. Look at all the pie boxes we got. I know you've seen in the previous years everything lined up, but I think this beats last year and the year before. It's day 2. We are back. Thanksgiving Eve. I need a hairnet. Cabbage is ready. People are picking up their orders in an hour, so we're trying to make sure everything's together.
We're sorting the orders in alphabetical orders, so it'll be easier for us to find names.
And do you know how many orders we have this year?
No, but it's a lot. It looks like a lot.
Over 100, it's gotta be. Because last night I was putting everything in the system and just one stack alone was 100.
What?
Yeah, so.
Wow.
How many orders do we have this year, Miss Lilly?
Oh, I didn't count them all up, but we have 200 sweet potato pies, that's for sure.
Wow.
But orders, I have no idea. We thank God for the business, that's for sure.
I showed you guys all the pie boxes yesterday. I think they're filled today. Yeah, they're filled.
Every year we're growing, we're doing bigger and better things. It's only because of the grace of God. Amen. You all know who we are and who we represent, right? There's no question of that. Everybody who's been here less than a year, raise your hand. Every year we talk about what we're grateful for. We'll wrap it up. Because of the season and the climate that we're in, there's so many people who were here last year who aren't. We came through COVID. Our business was sustained. God has allowed us to stay open and expand in the time when people were closed. And we don't take that for granted. The reason why those customers are coming in here is not because of our fried chicken and our mac and cheese, even though it's good. They come in here because of how they feel when they come in the door. All right? They come here because of our customer service and because of the love that we put in our food and the way we present ourselves and the way we treat our customers. Is that right?
Yeah.
Amen. All right. And it doesn't matter how good your food is, if you're not treating people with respect, dignity, and guys are doing.
I'm grateful for being alive.
Yes. All right.
Most of all, what you guys doing tonight, I'm grateful for listening to Miss Andre Lilly. You are a giver. You have the heart of God. And we thank God for you. The whole family is full of love. I thank God for you and I love you. And I'm just grateful and I just love the Lord.
Each and every one of us on this earth has an assignment. We have to carry out our assignment, what the Almighty gave us to do on earth. You are doing yours. No matter what no one says, you have to do it. You have to do it. Because that's your assignment.
Yes.
Okay?
Give me my bag back. All right, Felicia.
First, I must thank God for another year.
Yes.
I'm very grateful. I'm grateful to be here today in good health. I'm also grateful to be with you guys another year. I'm happy to be a part of the Lilly team. I love you guys so much. I love all the Lilly family, all my co-workers. Love you all.
All right. All right. The last one.
Where do you know you?
Well, I have to thank God for life. That I woke up this morning. And I have to give God thanks for all of you guys. I love, 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 love. And I appreciate you all. From the bottom of my heart.
So we're not even open yet, and we've got a line of cars waiting. Everybody got their coats on, ready to go.
I've been coming to Lilly's ever since. At the time, you only had 2 people working here. That was the old place. Man, that had to be 20 years. The food is great. The people is beautiful. It just makes my day every time I come to Lilly's. I can be feeling down and all I do is think about Lilly's. I get up and look like a brand new body leaves the house. Happy Thanksgiving to you and all the Lilly staff.
All right, so we're closing out the vlog. Today was such a busy, productive day. And guess what? We have a special guest tonight. My niece, Peace. See you next time. Thank you for watching. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the vlog. Oh, my nephew wants to be in the vlog, too. There you go.